Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, we shall learn that how we can create these beautiful flowers by using differential growth add-ons. The link of the add-on is in descriptions. So let's start our video. First, I delete everything. Press Shift A to add a cylinder. Scale it along x-axis, enter into the edit mode, select the face selection and delete this above face. Now select the vertex selection, select all these vertex, press I to inset. Nice. Now select the above vertex, scale this. Nice. Make a vertex groups to these selected vertex. Enter into the object data properties. From here I select vertex groups and assign it. Nice. Enter into the object mode. Also make it shade smooth. Now select the object properties. From here I have differential growth add-on which I downloaded from GitHub. So select differential growth step and here press enter. Nice. Beautiful. I reduce the split radius to 0.25 and repulsion radius to 0.50. This add more geometry to this selected mesh. Beautiful. Also reduce it 0.10 and this value 0.25. This add more geometry. Nice. Beautiful. This look like a beautiful underground sea flower. Now I assign material to this flower. Enter into the shading mode. I have an asset browser. Select asset browser and from here I select material. I assign this material to this geometry. Beautiful. It's look like very beautiful flower which has many leaf petals. Thank you for watching.